Do you know who has the biggest laughter of the earth? It's the biggest person of the world, the richest person of the world, Mr. Jeff Bezos, the founder, president, and chief executive officer of Amazon.com. Today, Amazon is leading among the e-commerce website in the world. Hello friends, this is Harsha Khatri. Welcome to my channel Search Speech, where you can find motivational messages and thoughts. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload the videos. Friends, today we will discuss 6 principles of success that are taken from the life of this well-known personality. Dream big, long-time visionary, be innovative, customer is a king, be initiative, be patient. And these principles are applicable in any type of business to achieve goals, to achieve success. So let's start, and here we go. Jeff Bezos was born on 12 January 1964 at Albuquerque, New Mexico, US. His mother, Jacqueline, was only 17 years old and studying high school when he was born. His father left him when Jeff was only 4 years old. Then after, his mother married to Mike Bezos, and Jeff grown up with his stepfather and taken his surname. Jeff was very clever and intelligent from his childhood. To keep his siblings out of his room, he fitted an electric alarm to inform him. When he was 16 years old, Jeff got a summer job in 1980. He worked at McDonald's as a short order line cook during the breakfast shift. He was graduated from Princeton University in 1986 with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science. And then after got a job at telecom startup company called Fittel. In addition to it, he also worked with different firms at Wall Street like Banker Trust and D.E. Shaw. Yes friends, he was long-term visionary. After winning National Merit Scholar and Silver Knight Award, he gave speech and told the audience that he dreamed of the day when mankind would colonize space, that is, space settlement. He is a big dreamer. A big dreamer. Jeff always tried to increase his knowledge, and while surfing the internet, he found that people are moving towards web services. He wanted to take a risk of leaving his job and jump into the ocean of internet. His parents was not convinced of leaving his job. In 90s, internet was not so popular. Yes friends, even his stepfather Mike asked him, "What's the internet?" He explained that web usage is growing at 2300% in a year. Its future is fantastic, and probably after 20 to 30 years, everyone will be a web user. We should take an advantage of this possibility. His parents trusted him and invested $250K in his company. He got an idea to start his own website of selling books online. He started from his garage with 3 computers and named his website Amazon.com. He chose this name on the world's largest river. With no press promotion, Amazon.com sold books across 50 states in US and in 45 foreign countries within 30 days. And within 2 months, sales reached $20,000 in a week. And in just 4 years, the net worth of Bezos was already crossed $9 million. And because of 6% of stakeholders of Amazon, his parents has become billionaires. Friends, it was 2007 when Amazon launched Amazon Kindle e-reader. That was the turning point for the company. Amazon Kindle is a digital book reader where user can read, buy, download and store their books. Yes friend, within 6 hours of its release, its stock was sold out and it was out of stock for next 5 months. According to Bezos, customer is a king. Yes friend, customer is a king. He always experiment new ideas to impress his customers and launched a list of products like in 2006, Amazon Instant Videos and Amazon Studios. Later it is called as Amazon Prime Video. It offers television shows and films for the rent or purchase. And it is only available for Amazon Prime subscriptions. It is a video on demand service. In 2007, Kindle e-reader. In 2013, Amazon Drones. It was an experimental initiative by Amazon called Amazon Prime Air, using drones to provide delivery services to customer. It is called as innovation. Innovations are the key point in the success of Amazon.com. Jeff Bezos trains his employees for faster initiative. He said, if you have an idea and 70% of knowledge or information, start working on it. You initiate it first before someone else do it. Bezos run Amazon on the basic rule of having no profit, and every year its revenue were increasing more and more, but there was no profit. He told his investors to have patience, and today we can see the results. Be patient. Other than Amazon, he is the owner of The Washington Post, purchased on 5th August 2013 for $250 million. Bezos founded Blue Origin in 2000. His aim is to provide services that could make life easier. Blue Origin is an aerospace company that focuses on lowering the cost for space travel. It involves in the development of technology to provide possibilities for a common man to travel space. By September 2018, Amazon was valued at more than $1 trillion, the second company to ever hit that record just a few weeks after Apple. Jeff Bezos is first centibillionaire on the Forbes Wealth Index. He is the world's richest person since 2017. As of June 2020, net worth of Bezos is $148.4 billion, according to Forbes. Bezos earned same salary of $81,840 at Amazon every year since 1998. However, his shares of Amazon have made him wealthiest person. And friends, it is estimated that by 2026, he will be trillionaire. According to him, it's perfectly healthy, encouraged even, to have an idea tomorrow that contradicted your idea today. Thank you for watching. We will meet again with another motivational video. Till then, bye-bye and take care.